Hello Binda, this is one craft idea that we thought about implementing as part of the pilot. तुमसे पहले बात हुई थी जब कहा था उन्होंने कि we want to actually supply some material also as part of the packages. So this is the first one and I actually wanted you to help us with this. तो इसमें करना ये है कि एक कैटरपिलर है ये, थोड़ा थिक पेपर का है, मे बी चार्ट पेपर और करूगेटेड बोर्ड, और उसके सेक्शंस हैं। उसके साथ में कुछ कलर्ड इमेजेस हैं सर्कुलर शेप में। फॉर द पायलट यू कैन डू जस्ट ब्लैक एंड वाइट, और यू कैन एक्चुअली ड्रॉ इट बाय योर हैंड। तो ये जो है लेसन सी के साथ जाएगा, साउंड ऑफ सी। सो देन यू हैव कैट and cup and crab and maybe some other stuff, maybe caterpillar itself. Okay. तो ये क्राफ्ट बनानी है और ऐसे हम लोगों को अराउंड 200 क्राफ्ट बनानी होंगी, and each of them will be like many copies of them. So what I wanted to do was do just a small pilot with you to see if you can help us get this on a scale, on a large scale. तो पहले तो इसके स्टेप्स बता देते हैं क्या है. So first step will be an idea. Okay, so we all can come together with ideas, and then we can brainstorm and we can finalize. For example, caterpillar for C, something else for B, and so on. And then we will actually implement that. So we will create some what you call it, POCs, proof of concepts. और इसमें एक दो रिक्वायरमेंट होंगी कि ये बहुत सिंपल होना चाहिए, बच्चे अपने आप कर लें. कलर्ड अगर नहीं है ये तो लाइन स्केच हो, ताकि बच्चे अपने आप कलर कर लें. जितना कलर करेंगे उतना ज़्यादा एंगेज होंगे बच्चे. We can actually make this on sticker paper. So yeah, there are so many possibilities. The other requirement is that it should be somewhat 3D. तो ये फ्लैट नहीं होना चाहिए ऐसे कटा हुआ. There should be like some kind of stand here on which this can actually stand up at the end of the when you complete the craft. उसके बाद जब POC हो जाएगा, then we will actually do so POC will include one actual craft. So this is the actual craft, and you can actually have variations also. So maybe you can have like 2-3 different variations depending upon what kind of materials you are using. And again, think about scale. So we will have to make it like many times. We will have to do a video on this. और वीडियो जो है वो काफ़ी इंटरेस्टिंग होगा. उसमें जो है बेसिकली ये स्क्रीन है. अगर यू कैन पुट अ टेबल हियर एंड यू हैव योर हैंड्स, just hands. Okay, your face is not coming, your hands are coming, and something is happening here. You're building something. Okay, and then it has to be very crisp. So basically we are looking for something like 40 seconds. In 40 seconds the key steps in the building of this craft can be shown with some music in the background. And while we are doing that, there will be one step where there is actual learning. So what we'll call this as Montessori inspired crafts. Okay, so Montessori has a lot of stress on hands-on working, but unfortunately Montessori did not have craft. So we are mixing the two ideas, the craft and the Montessori theme, and calling it Montessori inspired craft activities, and they will go with every lesson. तो ये जो 40 सेकंड का वीडियो होगा, इसमें जो है वो की स्टेप्स दिखाएंगे, including the steps where there is learning. So this particular step is where you have actual learning, right? I mean, learning is all over the place, like hand-eye coordination and fine motor skill and all those things. But the actual academic part of learning the sound of C, which is the objective of this exercise, is happening here when you are sticking it on. And imagine that there will be a packet for ABC, right? And there will be bat, okay, a sticker of bat, a sticker of ball. This is bat, actually bat animal, right, with things. and then bed. Okay, we can have bed. So these will be mixed up. So the child will actually have to build the caterpillar and use only the C words, which in this case are cat, cup, crab and caterpillar. तो जब ये स्टेप हो रहा होगा तो then we will pause the video for a moment and then there will be a voice over that Rumi can do, because Rumi जो है वो lessons कर रही हैं ये, तो उसमें इनकी आवाज़ से बच्चा familiar है already. तो just a simple reinforcement of the idea like ka cat and ka cup and ka crab and so on. तो वो editing part छोड़ दो इसका, वो तो उसके लिए हमारे पास टीम है. There are so many good editors we have. You will just have to create a raw footage of how you are making this. Or this can come actually later. First of all, we'll have to do the actual craft and the variations, and we'll see how this will pan out. Then after that, we will actually have to think about sourcing this. Okay. So the idea here is we will have all the supplies from India. So from India, you're going to send us to Canada, and then from Canada we will send it to US also. So US में भी हमारे मेरी भांजी है वहाँ पे. So then we can actually ship stuff here. This is not for India at this stage, because India में I don't know how people will actually take this thing, but this idea here is actually for North America, but the entire supply has to come from India. So let's say we start with this one, we say we have to make 200 of them. So whatever it takes to actually build this, all those pieces, to a reasonable extent, they should be like, they should be cutouts and all those things, so that बच्चों को बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं काम करना पड़े. At the same time, they also get a sense of achievement when they complete this craft. That is what will happen here when we decide about what the components will be in this. Material and color combination and whatnot. Okay. So that is going to be all part of your actual craft and variations. And then we'll have to source this. This has to be like professional. So maybe in the first cut you can do something with hand, but then ultimately we'll have to look for a book binder. जो इंडिया में जो लखनऊ में उस टाइप के थे जो बहुत अच्छा काम करते हैं पेपर कटिंग वटिंग का, you will probably have to get hold of somebody who can actually do this on scale. So if we ask them to create like identical pieces of cardboard or chart paper cutouts, he can actually do that overnight or maybe in a couple of days. So and printing shop where you can print this. Don't try to print this at home. I mean, you can for the pilot, but when we scale it, it has to be outsourced because you can't manage the colored ink and all. I don't know, यहाँ पे Kinko's होते हैं where you can go and get the printouts. I don't know India में कैसे होगा. That you'll have to figure out. Or maybe we can go with the line diagram with the expectation that the child will actually color it. We can discuss all that. So think about this and yeah, tell me. You can send me voice message or on the India office chat window, and we can continue working on this idea if you like it. Yeah, so whatever you think about this, tell me. You don't have to type all that. You can just send a voice message. So this is how it will work. We'll have ideas. We'll have like 200 crafts ideas, and then we will there will be a gate here which is basically saying that okay, this is all good to go for productionization, and then we'll start productionizing. So there will be a vendor here who is actually going to give you all the material. You are going to ship it in one packet to Canada, and then we will take it up from there. So yeah, any question or comment, you can just send me voice message and we can discuss this further. We don't have to get into the real-time call. We can actually do this over offline messages. Okay. All right. Thank you.